true or false. Okay, we give four things. When it comes to four things, we get two true value and two false value for eligibility for voting, right? Yeah, this is the basic syntax. If condition and example age equal to 18, if age greater than or equal to 18, eligible for voting. So this is basic conditional statement. Just observe it. If it's okay, we can move to next slide. Okay. Okay. More to the next. Okay. Before that, we just saw practical example for this. For the second page. Age. Age equal to, what's your age? 20. What is this refers to?
Voter age?
Just to ignore that voting concept. What is this? Age equal to 20 means what? Somebody age is 20. Okay. In conditional statement, we have three keywords. What is this? If, else, in Java we use to say if else. Python it has value. Okay. This is the three things you should remember. It can't be changed. If, else. Okay. Your age is 30. I need to return a program to check whether you are eligible for voting or not. Okay. If age greater than or equal to 18. Okay. What is this? Our eligibility to vote. The condition to vote. Age is greater than 18. Just print. Eligible. Okay. Okay. We talk about this elif. Okay. In next slides, upcoming slides. But because it takes huge time, we go with else. Print not eligible. Right. So in Python earlier I said no. Python makes indentation. Okay, it follows strict indentation. So this is my beginning of the. This is my margin. How I write the code? Near the margin, if else, and I have a tab space starting. This is how you need to write your code in your notebook, also in your system also. Okay. Then only Python understand this is our Python code. Else it can understand some other language. Why should we learn this? Why should we compare this language? Python understand. Okay. You should learn good language. If you are how the statement work means. So first check what is your age. Your age is 20. First if we go to this if statement. Your age is 20. Just answer me 20 greater than or equal to 18. It's true or false? True. This statement pass. Okay. And what will this print statement do? Eligibility. It print your output eligibility. Okay. In that scenario, if you can ask, sir, if this prints, okay, I'll print it. You print eligibility here. Eligibility here. Then after it should be printed like that we need to ask. Okay. In that scenario, I tell if statement execute, else statement won't execute. Okay. If the if didn't execute, else will be execute. Okay. There are only two possibilities. No, you should be eligible for voting, else you should not be eligible for voting. You should be graduate or should be graduating. That's the difference. So once the if statement is execute, else statement won't execute. So in that scenario, take your age is 12. So this is true or false?
Not eligible. False.
False. Then we need to, this is false. Then we need to move to next statement. So in the if statement only we had a print, okay, not for the another line. If this execute, this need to be, this need to be execute. If this false, this should not be execute, okay. We need to move. What we have else? If else means what?
Not eligible.
Yeah. Not. If this is not true, this should be true. Okay. Only you are greater than or 18. True. In that scenario, be false. You should be less than 18, right? That's a this else statement. What will be print? Not eligible. That is this. Hope you understand. Okay. We move to next statement.
Yes.
If else. Like this is what I have explained here in a like very simple manner. By looking at this, you can predict what is if else statement, right? Can you tell me by your understanding what if else statement means now? Tell me, we need to move fast. Don't look at the screen, there is nothing in the screen. Just tell what you understand from this concept if else. So that I can tell how can I teach you, then only I know. Okay, tell.
If statement means 18th
Yeah?
above age older,
Yeah.
otherwise 18 below low. If not eligible, if
Yeah.
else statement means 18 below, for example 11, 12, 13, 14, this is the not eligible.
Not eligible, okay. Somehow you understand the concept. It means if what we given in the F should be true, it should be printed. Else part will be printed. Okay, that's the difference between if and else. So now moving to what in the example had if. Okay, fine. Shall I ref this?
The second one is if or else statement, else only if else.
Else, just else. If else. I'll teach you in the upcoming steps.
Else.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you know what is even number, odd number? Shall I run this?
Okay, sir, yeah.
Like, tell me what is even number, odd number? I'm asking about you, ma'am. Either I can teach 1 hour this loop concept also. You should be respond. If you interact in class, we can teach. I can teach fastly and give you more problems to work out. Okay. What is even number, odd number? Do you know? Have you learned in your schools or colleges? What is even number, odd number?
One number is equal to any one number is equal to
What? Okay, tell even numbers, odd numbers. You should be responding so that I can go fastly.
10 equal to 9, 8, 7 is below number to even.
Okay.
Odd number means 10 above 10 equal to 11, 12, 13, 14. Is it odd?
That is ascending order, descending order. We remember this. Okay, we move to fastly with concepts. What is this?
Ascending order is it?
This is odd number, even number, man. Now you understand. Okay. So, Tell any number.
5 and 6.
The number which are divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0 considered to be even number. A number which is divided by 2 and the remainder is 1 considered to be odd number. Okay. You should be learned from your school itself, but you are still struggling. You need to learn you need to know what is even number and odd number. Okay. You should need to learn.
2.
Okay. So I'm checking the condition. If this number, so what I say, a number which is divided by 2
Divided by 8.
what is even number? A number which is divided by 2. 20 divided by 2, so then 20. Leaves this remainder as 0, considered to be even. Okay. The number is 21. So it was 20. Leaves the remainder as 1. Remainder as odd. Okay. You should not prepare this. So I can't teach you. Okay. Yeah. If the number is divided by, this is modulus, but do you know? Modulus 2 gives, this is, I think he has things in your operators, right? Double equals. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, let's look at that. This is equal. Checking whether the condition is equal or not.
Equal.
Equal.
Not equal. Not equal.
Yeah. That is the work of double equals. Check whether two numbers equal or not. Okay. Your note is equal to laptop.
Not equal.
Not equal. Your laptop is equal to laptop.
Equal.
Yeah, that is. So whether checking the number is divided by 2 equal to 0. Okay. At the end, the main condition is this. This is if condition, right? At the end, you need to give like this. Colon. Okay. If you give like this colon, your output will be printed. Else, no output printed shows an error. Okay. And some kind of print cell. Okay. Okay. Just write in your note. This is the very important. Wait. I'll teach you this concept and you can copy everything. Okay. Just observe. A number is divided by 2. Here I take this number divided by 2 gives the remainder. To get the remainder, we use this modulus symbol. Okay. So you check this. A number modulus 2. I have just divided. I need to this modulus as answer. Just take it 0. What is this modulus? Let's solve. Remainder 0. Equal to check whether this is 0. 0. True. This is true only, right? True. What I need to do? I need to print whatever this in a particular if condition. Okay.
Equal.
Even. Okay. Even. Right. Else. Else is nothing but if it is number 2 divided by number modulus 2 equal to 0. If in that scenario, if this is true means this should be false. False means it can be the number is not divided by 2 but not equal to 0, right? Some kind of value it comes. So that is we need to do an else part. I'll just print simply R. Can you tell me what is the output? Faster, man. Faster. With your help of your response, I need to teach you what the things I need to cover. 101, not 110. 101.
Not equal to the odd number, right?
Just tell whether this number is even or odd.
So any opposite number?
Use this condition, man. Now only I teach you, no.
This condition I have combined, right?
How you check order even?
Even means 2 equal to 0 is a even number.
How you check equal to 0? What I have given you that? You need to divide now first. Just do divide. So from morning 10 a.m. to I'm taking this concept, you are now really not understanding. How can I teach you? Just divide. It's very long number. 101 is 101 divided by 2. I'll give you a simple number. Like this.
It's a even number.
Yeah. How do you find even number?
Equal 0.
Exactly. Just go for
Even numbers.
how?
0.
Yeah. In the remainder you get 0.
Yes.
You need to check whether the num divided by 2 equal to 0. Which means you get this remainder as 0. 0 equal to 0. In that scenario we get true. You need to print even. Else,
You will stick 1.
yeah, 1 or remainder value. What you need to print else?
Odd.
Odd. Okay, like this.
So it's a odd number.
Why?
That's 1 remainder 1.
Exactly. What we need to print?
1.
1. What is in the print
It's a odd
statement?
number.
Odd number. Should you print odd number? Okay. Need to copy? Oh, okay, no problem. Okay, it saves me also time to take another concept. If you try to copy everything, it's take whole day to copy what I'm writing in my board. Okay. Here we teach else, if, elif and else. Now we are going to elif part. Okay. Yeah. Just understand the problem. Just read the code.
Marks equal to 80. If
Yeah.
marks greater than or equal to 90,
Yeah.
print grade B.
Yeah.
If marks greater than or equal to 75, print grade B. Else, print grade C.
Okay. That's it. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you understand?
85 greater than or equal to 90. The condition is true. Grade A. 75.
Will it print for 75?
75 grade B.
Will it
below,
print?
below number.
Yeah. Yeah, it's correct.
85 below. That's grade B. Above
Yeah.
75 is a grade A. For example, 85. 85 greater than equal to 90, grade B.
Yeah,
Grade C is some condition.
else part.
Let's call that
Like when it comes under 74, it prints
grade.
else. Okay, I'll give you 30. Check every condition first. Go if and elif and else part. Check. You need to say if 30 greater than or equal to 90. You need to say.
Grade C.
How you? I don't know anything about if else statement. Just teach me.
Below.
Yeah, just go from top. First you need to check if condition. Just check.
First one is 30 greater than or equal to 90.
Is it true?
False, sir.
Why? It's just not equal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. We should not print anything in the if condition. Exactly. Next.
30 greater than or equal to 75.
Yeah.
Not equal to.
Why?
Below value.
Exactly. That's the important part. Yeah. After.
Grade grade C.
Why? Because this is else is below
value.
below 75. Right? Yeah. Okay. We are going to see that one. I think you have understand that looking at the problem itself. The main thing is we need to give condition and like what I say condition and indentation, right? Yeah. Marks. What's your marks? What mark I will give for you?
85, 90.
Okay. Mark. I'll just simply give print P of here. What means P of here? Exactly. Elif. What's in the condition? 75, 70.
70.
70. Greater than or equal to 70, right? Okay. Understanding this part? Yeah. Just tell what will be the answer.
Was 85 greater than or equal to 90 is it true?
85?
85 greater than or equal to 90 true.
Okay. What will you print?
True, sir.
How? 85 greater than 90. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
Just check it. Just check whether it is true or false.
Sir, highest 85 is compared to 90 is 90 above highest value. 85 is a value is compared to.
How can you just check this only? In previous slide you tell everything is correct, but you are making again mistake from here. How?
Compared to 95 below value 84.
True or false?
True, sir.
How? 85 greater than 90. Is it greater than 90?
90 is false, sir.
Why?
85 less than or equal to 90 is condition true.
Why you said either false? True. Why you said true? Anyhow, this is false. Okay. Next
90 is
condition.
the highest value, 85 is the lowest value. Is
Yeah,
compared
that's
to
how we
this.
need to say everything. Just check we are. And somebody guys take 85 mark. So which grade shall we give for him? Check.
85 greater than or equal to 90 is a false condition. Second, if marks greater than or equal to 70